Hello my dear students, welcome to WBJEE YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve exercise 2.2 from question number 1 to question number 5, and it is from NCERT class 12, and the chapter is inverse trigonometric function. So let's start. Question number 1, prove the following. 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube, and x belongs to minus half to half. So why it is given we will see later. So now let x equal to sin theta. Now 3x minus 4x cube equal to what? 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, and we already know that 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is equal to sin 3 theta. So here we have assumed that x equal to sin theta, that means theta equal to sin inverse x. Okay, so that is equal to sin 3, theta is equal to sin inverse x, that means 3 sin inverse x. Okay, so what we get? So from this we get 3x minus 4x cube equal to sin 3 sin inverse x. So that implies sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube equal to 3 sin inverse x. So this is proved. Now see, if x does not belongs to minus half to half, that means we know that for sin inverse x, x can be from minus 1 to 1. So for this, if x does not belong to minus half to half, then 3x minus 4x cube, that will be either less than minus 1 or greater than 1. That is why x have to be in this region minus half to half, so that sin inverse x for this argument, that means 3x minus 4x cube, this remains from minus 1 to 1, and these two are included. Okay, so that's why this x belongs to minus half to half is given. Hope you understand that. Now prove the following. 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. Here also we will let that x equal to cos theta, that means theta equal to cos inverse x. Okay, so let us put x in this argument. So 4x cube minus 3x, that means 4 into cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, and we know that 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta. So again we are getting cos 3 theta equal to 4x cube minus 3x. So that implies 3 theta equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. And what is theta? Theta is cos inverse x. So 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. And this is proved. So here also it is given that x belongs to half to 1, because if x is not in this region, then 4x cube minus 3x, it will be greater than 1 or it will be less than minus 1, because we know in the cos inverse x, x is from 1 to minus 1. So if x does not belong to this region, x will be exceeds these two values. So that's why x have to be in this region. Hope you understand. Next problem. 3. Write the following function in the simplest form. Tan inverse root over 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. So for here also we will substitute something So let x equal to tan theta, so that theta equal to tan inverse x. So x is not equal to 0, that means x is in the denominator, that's why x is not equal to 0. So let us compute this quantity. So root over 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. That means x is what? Tan theta. So root over 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 and divided by tan theta. So root over 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So root over sec square theta is sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Okay. So sec theta is 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by sin theta by cos theta. So that is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. So 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2 and sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So 1 sin square theta is cancelled out. So that means 2 cancel out, that means sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2, that means tan theta by 2. Okay. So we have assumed that theta equal to tan inverse x. So I am writing here, we get this quantity as tan theta by 2, that means tan inverse tan theta by 2, that means theta by 2, and we have assumed theta equal to tan inverse x, that means tan inverse x by 2, that means half tan inverse x. This is the simplest form. So I am writing here tan inverse root over 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. This is equal to half tan inverse x. Okay. Hope you understand. Next problem. Write the following functions in simplest form. So tan inverse root over 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So we will first solve this quantity. So root over 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. And you already know that 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x and 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x. So this will be 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. So that is root over sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2, that means root over tan square x by 2, that means tan x by 2. So here we got tan inverse, this quantity is tan x by 2, that means x by 2. So this is the answer. Next problem, tan inverse cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. So again we will compute this quantity, cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. Okay, so we are dividing cos x in the numerator and the denominator also. So that means 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x, and writing 1 as tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x, because you know tan pi by 4 is 1. So this is tan pi by 4 minus x. So now we get this quantity as tan pi by 4 minus x. So tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x. So that means pi by 4 minus x. This is the answer, or this is the simplest form. Okay. So thanks for watching. In the next videos, we will solve from question number 6. Thank you once again.